Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Kavita Padmawar from Arihant Institute of Teacher Training, Pune. In the previous video, we have discussed about measurement, assessment and evaluation, their definitions, meanings and process of evaluation also. And we have seen the advantages of all three, that is measurement, assessment and evaluation. In this video, we are going to learn about difference between measurement, assessment and evaluation. First, while writing difference, we will go through one by one points. We will first see the definitions of all three. Definition of measurement. What is meant by measurement? The process of ascertaining the extent or quantity of something. When we measure anything, we use standardized tools and we get numerical data. Means we find out the extent or quantity of something. Assessment. It is the process to judge the performance of an individual to evaluate. This is a process in which we judge the performance of individual. Evaluation. It refers to the act or process of determining the value of something. Here in the evaluation, we take help of measurement, assessment and we give the value judgment about that. What is the aim of measurement? Numerical valuation is the main aim. When we measure things, we get data in the form of numbers. That's why it is numerical in nature. Then assessment. The aim of assessment is to decide learning outcomes is the aim. Then evaluation. The aim of evaluation is to justify and evaluate. Next, nature. Nature of measurement. It is totally numeric in nature. Whenever we measure anything, we get data in the form of numbers. That's why it is numeric in nature. Assessment. It is descriptive in nature. It describes in quantitative and qualitative form. We use various tools and techniques for the assessment through which we can get data in the form of quantitative and qualitative form also. We get numbers as well as descriptive remarks also. The nature of evaluation is it concludes and interprets the data. Whatever data we have got from the measurement and assessment, that is descriptive, quantitative and qualitative data, that we interpret, analyze, process and interpret the data in evaluation. What is the interrelation between these three? The measurement and evaluation are interdependent. As we have seen in the previous video also, measurement is the baseline of the evaluation. To evaluate, we first need the measurement and assessment also. The relation between assessment and evaluation is assessment and evaluation are supportive to each other. They help each other. Based on the assessment, evaluator can evaluate or evaluator can give value judgment about it. And evaluation, it is based on measurement and assessment. As we have discussed earlier also, evaluation is based on measurement and assessment. The next point is process. What is the measurement process? Measurement is a limited process. Why it is limited? Because to get data in the form of numbers, we use various standardized tools through which we can get result. Means if we want to measure the quantity of something, we use a particular tool and we get the result. That's why it is a limited process. Assessment. In this process, the data collection is at high extent for the evaluation and assessed objectively. Means for measurement, it is a limited process, but for assessment, we use various tools and data collection is at high extent. Large data we collect and which is the base for the evaluation. And the process of evaluation is, it is inclusive process. Why it is inclusive? Because we consider all the things, measurement, assessment as well as evaluation. Whatever data, quantitative and qualitative, we process that data and based on that we interpret or give value judgment in the process of evaluation. Then next point is description. Measurement, it describes the facts. What about assessment? It gives the valuation for the facts. And evaluation, it decides the standard of the values given to the facts. Now, progress. Measurement, it answers to how much progress. We get the answer of how much in measurement. It collects the information to describe the facts. When we want to describe the facts, we assess it. Means that is the assessment progress. It gives information of progress. By using the data received by measurement and assessment, we in the evaluation, we gives information of the progress of anything, of students' achievement, students' learning. Measurement is related to objectivity because here we use standardized tools, and if more than one person measures the things, the result will be same. But about assessment, it is tangible things, and about evaluation, it is intangible things. Which tools we can use for the measurement? Physical measurement tools. For example, meter, liter, kilogram. To measure the quantities, to measure the distance, we use physical measurement tools. For assessment, tests are essential. We can use standardized test as well as teacher-made test. And for evaluation, cumulative records are necessary because evaluation is based on the overall data. Based on that only evaluator can give opinion about it. What is the use of measurement? Measurement of numerical information. Through measurement, we can get numerical information. Use of assessment, activities and description of the facts. And evaluation, the use of evaluation is quantitative and qualitative, integrally gives opinion about the progress, about the achievement of the students, about the quality of the things we evaluate. So this is all about the measurement, assessment and evaluation and the difference between these three. In the exam, we can have question of 15 marks in which they can ask us to illustrate the three concepts, that is measurement, assessment and evaluation. One more point, they can ask the advantages of this all three, and if the question is for 5 marks, they will ask the difference between measurement, assessment and evaluation. So we can write the 5 or 6 points of this. So thank you all for listening patiently. Thank you.